Squad goals. Understanding the phrase and its usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, squad goals. This term has become quite popular in everyday conversations, especially on social media. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Squad goals is a term that originated from social media. It refers to aspirations or goals that a group of friends or a team wishes to achieve together. The word, squad, in this context means a group of friends or a team. When someone says, squad goals, they are talking about something they admire and wish to achieve with their group. This phrase often represents unity, friendship, and shared aspirations. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. A group of friends who travel to different countries together might be called squad goals for those who aspire to travel with friends. A sports team that works hard and wins a championship can be an example of squad goals for teamwork and success. Friends supporting each other through thick and thin can also be a perfect illustration of squad goals in terms of loyalty and support. Here are some ways you can use squad goals in your daily conversations. Did you see that dance group? They are total squad goals. We finally started our own business together. Talk about squad goals. I hope one day our friendship becomes as strong as theirs. They are real squad goals. Squad goals is a fun and modern phrase that encapsulates the beauty of friendship and teamwork. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this trendy phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the culture and ideas they represent. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.